Morning Goenkans, I hope you all are doing well. So I, Harshi Gupta, is yet back again with your computer class. Earlier we have done the chapter how does a computer work. Let's have a quick revision. We know that a computer works on IPO cycle where a computer accepts the input from input device like keyboard, mouse, etc., and it processes it with the help of CPU, and then it gives us the output in the output devices, and it also stores the data in its hard disk. So this is the process that a computer works on IPO cycle. Now let's revise the exercises that are given in your book on page number 7. Choose the correct options. Here there are multiple choice questions and we have to take the correct one. Which of the following is an input device? Monitor, no, it is an output device. Keyboard, yes, keyboard is an input device. CD is also a storage device and hard disk is also a storage device. Number 2, which of the following devices is used for storing data? CPU, no, CPU is the processor. Keyboard, no, it is the input device. Yes, hard disk is the device that is used for storing data, and monitor is also an output device. Which of the following devices display the output? CPU, no, CPU is the processing device. Keyboard, no, it is an input device. Hard disk, no, it is an storage device. D, monitor is the right one, it shows the output. Fourth, what does O represent in the term IPO? We know it is output, input, process and output. Fifth, which of the following is the processing device? Yes, CPU is the processing device of the computer system. Others are input, output devices. Now we have to write the true or false for the following. The CPU is responsible for processing the data. True, yes, CPU is responsible. Number 2, the data given to a computer is called output. False, the data given to a computer is called input. Third, the hard disk does the processing. No, it is false. Who does the processing? Yes, CPU does the processing. Fourth, the mouse is used to give input. True, mouse and keyboard are the two input devices. Fifth, the letter I in IPO stands for information. False, it stands for input. Now see, we have fill in the blanks. Information is processed form of dash which helps us in reaching a conclusion. Information is processed in form of data. Number 2, the conversion from input to output is known as processing. Number 3, and dash performs arithmetic and logical calculation. I already told you CPU has 3 parts, CU, MU and ALU, and ALU is responsible for performing arithmetic and logical calculations. Next we have number 4, the letter P in IPO stands for process. Number 5, a hard disk is present inside the CPU cabinet. Okay, we'll not write just CPU, we'll write it as CPU cabinet. Now we are done with the exercises. I hope you all have finished the difficult words also in your notebook. Now here are the question answers that we'll be discussing now. Question number 1, define the term input. The instructions entered into a computer are called input. What is processing? The CPU works on the data to convert it into meaningful information. This is called processing. Question 3. What is an IPO cycle? Explain with the help of flow diagram. IPO stands for input, process and output. And here I have drawn a diagram that you have to draw in your notebook. Here data that is given to a computer is input. Then the data is processed with the help of CPU. And then it gives us the output in the form of information, and where it stores in the storage. How does a computer work? A computer is a machine that takes in some raw data and processes it to produce meaningful information. It takes in data through the help of input devices, it processes it and it gives us the output. That is the meaningful information. Name any 2 devices used for providing input to a computer. You can write any input devices, but I have mentioned here keyboard and mouse. Okay, so these are the question answers that you have to do in the notebook. Do it very neatly. I am also sharing with you the notebook work, how you have to do it. I have done till question number 2 and you have to do all the 5 questions that are shared with you. So do it neatly. I'll be checking your work. Please finish your work. Till then, bye. Take care. See you soon.